Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here and you're gonna learn about GetUint8 bit. In the last video we talked about 32 and before that we talked about 16. This is gonna same as that, just was those as to understand what I did with codes and why we need to do that. But it's just a sequel here. So what we're gonna do is paste 255, the max unsigned 8-digit number, and it will return you that. And yeah, I'm gonna set it to 8 and you indicate 8. Use that method which we are talking. So when we do that, it's gonna give you I didn't pass the 1. So when you do that, it's gonna give you 255. So this video is same as that. So be sure to like, subscribe, I guess. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.